the SFA, you already know.
Welcome with me, Super Fast A, and let me show you top 5 Android apps for your Android smartphone. Doesn't matter what type it is, for 2020, to prepare you for 2020. You can download them right now, you can download them 2020, but let's start this off. So number 1 is Free Ringtone and Ringtone Maker. So this app gives you some cool ringtones than your device gives you a ringtone. This app, that's how I got this cool annoying ringtone, which is very cool, and let me show you how cool it really is. Yeah. And this app is called Free Ringtone Maker. So go download it on your Android phone, and you can have some cool ringtones the next time when you get a call notification. And yeah. And before we keep going, don't forget to leave a bottom subscribe. And yeah. The next app here we have is Dark Mode. This is one of my favorite apps that me, the SFA, use. This app basically can make any Android smartphone without having Android 10 dark. It works across some familiar apps. For example, Instagram. You can make Instagram dark mode. You can do, for example, but I cannot show you that because I have a whole separate video which you can click in the card right up on the right side of the screen. I have a whole separate video about basically how to do the dark mode and how to have it on your Instagram. And yeah, and if you don't know, I'm on Instagram super fast. I post some cool stories, like for example, back to YouTube and keep going. I post some cool stories, some tech stuff too. So I post some other stuff here. So yeah, I'm on Instagram too. So when you download dark mode, you can see me a little bit easier with your eyes when you're at night on Instagram. For some reason I cannot find my next app, which is Doze, but I'll link you down. All the links for all the apps are down below. So if you want to just go see all the apps, go see them on your and have your Android smartphone better, go see it. I'll link it there down below. But I can't find Doze. This app basically does. Let me show you the picture on the screen. It basically does. When you turn off your phone, it turns off all the apps that keep running in the background. If you don't know this, your apps can be running even when your phone is off. Not power off, not shut off. It is like just regular off. And basically is that your apps keep draining power and taking the battery. Now this will have a problem on my phone. My phone, for example, if I turn my phone off, it gets to 80%, like almost by a not even so many hours. But with this Doze app, it actually helped my phone. It helped my phone to stay at least 2 to 3 hours, 100%. And it only by the end of the day, when I'm at the end of the day, it's like only 50, and that's like the end of the day. So, but this app actually really improves. So if you have that problem on your Android smartphone when the battery goes low, super quickly download the Doze app. And yeah, if you like to listen to music, radio music like the SFA, this app is a very simple app to listen to music. It is called Simple Radio. The name it's already in the name. You already know what it is. It's basically a free live AM and FM radio, and it's a music app. It's very good. I use this app most of the time. I barely even use an actual real radio, like with an antenna and all that. I just use this app. And this app basically, free music and news and sports radio tune app. It's basically a free music and news sports radio tuner app, tuned in live FM and AF and AM radio stations. So basically, this app, which both people can download it. You can download it on Android, and if you have an iPhone and you're watching this video still right now at 4 minutes, you can download this from here on your app store. So Apple people here, the ones that use the iPhones, you can download this app. It's a very good app. You can listen to radio. You can listen across the world. It's not limited to just one or your signal. It's a very good one. And I even think this app is better than real radio. And yeah, this app is amazing. Very convenient. It's simple. Gets the job done. Get radio. Free, simple. If you love editing photos or intros for Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter, or Snapchat, this app is a very good one for your Android users. It is called, I don't even know how to say it, so I'm not going to try to say it. It's called, that. And photo filters for dark sky and travel. So basically, travel camera app makes your photos beautiful in any weather. So basically, when you're out there, if you travel, do Instagram photos and all that stuff, or YouTube intros, YouTube thumbnails, this is a very good one to do in the weather. And don't let the sky be the limit, as it says. No matter its weather, can take you, whatever. No matter its weather, the picture can take you to a glorious morning in San Remo, or to a desert sunny in Paris. So basically, this app is a very good one. A very good photo app, and everything is linked down in the description. Click that little triangle on it, click it, tap it, do whatever you gotta do, click it, tap it, and all the link for all these all down in the description. And these are my top 5 Android apps. I'm trying something new and trying to share you what are the top 5 Android that I recommend you should use for the next year to get ready. Times are gonna change, and yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to SuperFastA and hit the bell. Hit the bell. Let me show you how to hit the bell. See, first second you subscribe to SuperFastA, you hit the bell, and you press all notifications. And that's how you do it. You subscribe and get to SuperFastA to 80. Now, keep in mind how I got 80 now because I'm showing you how to subscribe. This is not really gonna I'm gonna keep in mind, this is just to show you. I'm not going to really get 8 subscribers like that. But if you do it that way, with your real account, I'll get 80. And close to the big 100. We got to get to the 100. If we get to 100 before 2020, I know it's very close from here, and we get it. And even if we don't, we get it to 2020, exactly January the 1st, let's go. And don't forget, I am on this Instagram app. And remember the link is up there to how to get dark mode on your Android without having Android 10. A cool app that I'll show you. And thank you for watching this top 5 Android for 2020. This is me, SuperFastA, signing out. Cybertruck. If you haven't heard about the Cybertruck, here's a little clip from Tesla.